Welcome to the Oxen Group Nightly. My name is David Ristow. I'm the CEO, President, and Founder of the Oxen Group. You can check us out at www.theoxengroup.com. We're a financial analysis and investment ideas firm, and we're going to get into our Oxen Group Nightly tonight. We'll be starting out with our Thursday's market wrap-up. We'll also be looking at our position in Emerson, as well as some exciting news in our position in SunPower, looking at some of our other current positions and exits. Be talking a little bit more about some of our retail equity analytics that were released just this evening, as well as our forecast for tomorrow. And always check out our disclaimer at the end. Well, the market had another strong day today, and that was surprising to see for me, despite our weaker GDP at 1.8%, missed even the consensus at 1.9%. We had strong earnings from Viacom, Sprint, Nextel, P&G's earnings were pretty strong. But what we heard from a lot of analysts is that basically the market was kind of reacting to GDP as, look, we have this really high oil, this really high gas, that's just really taking a toll on GDP right now. But that's a temporary thing, and they expect it to continue higher after we can get this fixed. I don't know if I agree with that. Honestly, as we talked about in our last night's Oxen Group Nightly, we're in a technical rally right now, and you've got continuously strong earnings that are allowing for different sectors and different industries to rally on given days, and you're having different sectors leading us up every single day, and it's just helping out the Dow, the S&P, and the Nasdaq find ways to rally every single day. We broke through that key support line at 1350 on the S&P. We continued higher. I wouldn't be surprised to see a little bit of a pullback at some point. But overall, I don't see any reason why we won't be moving towards around 14 to 1410 on the S&P by the end of maybe May to mid-June. The one economic piece that I found interesting today was jobless claims. I think the reason that I might be a little bit weary of maybe the market moving into tomorrow or sometime next week having somewhat of a pullback is because in addition to the GDP, we saw initial unemployment claims again rise this week, again come in above consensus estimates. And you see we've gotten this little bit of a spike here recently, back over 400,000 after we had this nice drop. I mean, it could be very temporary. Most likely it is. It's we have these spikes and then drop and spikes and drop, but it's definitely something to watch. And I think if we have unemployment claims come in again above consensus estimates and rise again week over week, that could be really unwrenching for at least for a day for the market. So definitely something to watch next Thursday. But here you go, the chart. It's a very clean, very nice chart. The market took off right off the start. Had a couple dips here and there, bought right back up. Very good sign, very bullish sign. You got this rally kind of during the lull part of the day, and then a little bit of a fall off there, but rallies through that as well. That's a real strong sign to see as well. Everything looks pretty good. Our position in Emerson kind of flatlined today. Increased a little bit to the upside. Had a real nice start to the day, but fell throughout the day as some stocks fell during the middle of the day, but did get a late upgrade from Oppenheimer intraday, and I think that could have a little bit of an impact going into tomorrow. But the real big news, this is exciting for us. One of our holdings in our extended value portfolio is SunPower. We had an entry back in December at 1320 area, and it got news today that 60% of the company is being bought out by Total SA, the French oil and services energy company, for $23.50 per share. And in after hours, the stock rose significantly, about 40%, and it looks like if we get close to an open around 23.50, between 23 and 23.50, 350, we're going to be up about between 70 and 75% on this position. So very exciting news for us on that position. That comes out of our extended value portfolio, which has been actually one of our best performing portfolios so far this year. Other cover positions, we don't have a lot. I kind of have been selling off. We've been rallying, and you sell the rallies, you buy the dips, and we're selling the rally. We're looking for a dip to buy. I haven't had that happen really. We had a small dip today. I was considering buying some stuff, but looking for a bigger dip, maybe a 50 or 60 point down day to help get us into some new positions. But we exited Baidu for a 2% gain this morning after strong earnings and upgrades a few minutes in. And again, yeah, we're looking for a pullback to load up. Equity analytics. Our apparel manufacturing equity analytics report with 12 companies. They include Columbia Sportswear, G3 Apparel, Guild and Activewear, Hanes Brand, Lululemon, Phil's Van Heusen, Ralph Lauren, True Religion, Under Armour, VF Core, Warner Co., and Quicksilver is out. Each company has a price target, a buy, sell, or hold rating, a buy target, a sell target, a growth score, a value score, a profitability score, a management score, a financial health score. Those scores are all then can be compared to other companies in their industry. We have a company profile for each company. And yeah, it's real exciting. It's a 23-page report. It's available for our premium and our long-term ratings members, and it's definitely something you're going to want to check out. If you're not a long-term ratings member or a premium member, you definitely want to possibly think about getting a trial membership or signing up for one of those to view this. I'll give a quick preview. 3 of our best buy picks from it: GIII, VF Core, and Warner Co. Group all have the most upside that we see. For tomorrow, we rallied up that key breakout level and really ignored the economics today, and that's exciting to see that sort of rally in place. But also at the same time, that sort of rally makes you want to say, ooh, we might have a big pullback sometime today. Earnings from Microsoft are pretty soft, and after hours, as well as Research Emotion, very, very soft. Consumer confidence is tomorrow. I think if we get weakness in some kind of report tomorrow, or we don't see some good earnings come out tomorrow morning, this could be a pullback day. I'd be a little bit weary of tomorrow, but that pullback will allow us to load up. That's going to do it for today. Visit us at www.theoxengroup.com. Call us at 1-800-709-1160. Please email us, and please become a part of our 70% plus accuracy and make money in this market today.